This video will demonstrate how to clean your GP Pro automated towel dispensers. Your dispenser may look slightly different, but the cleaning instructions are similar. To properly clean the dispenser, you will need a vacuum or compressed air, as well as a damp paper towel or microfiber cloth. It is helpful if the vacuum has a flexible hose to reach compact areas. Be sure to use water or a mild commercial cleaner. It is not recommended to use quaternary sanitizer, bleach, or other harsh agents. Start by opening the dispenser and removing the paper towel roll and batteries. Next, vacuum the keyhole and lock mechanism. Vacuum the entire inside of the dispenser, including all corners and edges. Gently glide a vacuum or compressed air over the roller assembly while holding the paper feed button. Continue to the motion sensor light, the setting switches, and inside the battery compartment. Inspect the batteries to ensure there is no corrosion or rust. Carefully vacuum the pressure springs and carousel knobs while inspecting for proper function. Next, dampen a paper towel or non-abrasive cloth, such as microfiber. Be sure not to use steel wool or other abrasive materials. Wipe the inside of the dispenser lid, bottom of the inside compartment, carousel arms and knobs, as well as the roller assembly, again holding the feed button as it rotates. Do not let the cleaning towel feed into the roller assembly. Reinsert the batteries and paper towel roll and close the lid. Use your cleaning towel to wipe the outside of the dispenser. Finish by verifying the dispenser is functioning properly. To ensure your dispenser remains in good working condition, we recommend cleaning your automated dispenser after it has gone through a case of paper towels, or whenever it is evident cleaning is needed, at least twice per year. If you need any assistance with your dispenser, contact a GP Express agent at 1-866-435-5647 or gpexpress@gapac.com.